Today is finally that day. Got the Neos in. Finally gonna start with the sound Denton. 50 mil. This should be enough for all the doors, and then another box for the floor, another box for the roof, and the back hatch. Yeah, get to it. All right. Basically, what we got is these little clips. Oh, I thought it was another one. But push that thing, pull her out. Minty. And Phillips, take this off. Got that off, popped her off. Nice. Boom, boom, and boom. And she's gonna come right the fuck off. Once you did that, you just push this forward and out so you can get room. Go down to this corner, pop her off. You don't need any tools. Just get you a little handy little knife. Just get popping. Lift that up. Oh. So you're gonna snake this through because it's gonna be a pain. But ain't nothing but a pain, man. Ain't nothing but a pain. So that all comes off. See how this is just hanging? We don't like that. But this is also helping not break that little clip. So you see we got that little clip right there, and she's off. And now she's off. So now take this here clear piece off, and here's sound deadener. And I'm gonna get these deadened and speakers tomorrow. Take this little bullshit ass piece out, make a little thing. 6.5 tweeter, and then yeah, smooth move, man. All right, we back with it. Other side is done. Make sure you clean this thing off. Make sure it's shiny. Make sure it's dry. And cut to fit. But fold it. And just like that. She fits in there. And just patch up the sides. And do another layer. So it'll be 100 mil on each door with the Neo. And if I have room, I'm gonna put a little tweeter and crossover. What? Alright, so got the front done. Can't see of it. Can't see any of it when you put the thing back on. Back, I still need speaker. Make a little mount. Make a little whatever. Onto this, all you do is pop this off. It comes, if you're looking at it this way, up and out. And all this is right here is a little 10mm defeater. Go to town, and yeah, that's next. All right, well, this is what we got of the back. Right here is not done, but we ran out. So, but the port's gonna be on this side. Minty. And we're back, man. We got the Food Lion, the Lion King, whatever it's called. I'm guessing about $20 and I'm gonna be on the way to Lowe's. Big bread for some tools, man, because in a predicament with the tools at the moment. See this little thing talking about, man. They had 12 volt, 20 volt, and the 12 volt was more expensive per one with no battery. So this thing right here, the two $40 rolls, $245 with that Milo's card. And see if she works, cause that'd be a, just like this, man, pain in the ass. Another day at Lowe's, man. What's the fit? What we got going? What? Who shows they fit like that? I'm gonna plug the Instagram. No battery?
I don't even know why they tried that. Nigga gonna drop some shots on for I bet them just get 5 back.
What we doing today, man?
Little ball. God,
For the
damn.
2 time.
Little
For
ball.
the 2 time.
Little ball.
Why would I lack?
Baby ass shit detector. Beep. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh.
Hit me up. That's all I gotta say.
But boom, look what we got going, man. We got yellow red lights. That shit, man.
Tape.
I'm gonna do it to him. Tape's up here.
I need to figure out.
Then go ahead and hit that bit play. Let that bit play.